Brittany with WTI, and when you're in the kitchen, it's really important to have a towel that's always accessible. And that's why I depend on these Michael Grace Gifts hanging towels. Now, the reason why I like this is that the fabric is so thick and absorbent. I love the texture. It really does a good job at making sure you get all of the water off your hands or your knife or anything that you're needing to use. And the big thing that I love about it is the design of how it hangs. A lot of times you have things that have buttons, Velcro, a snap, and those can easily come undone. When you use it, then it falls on the ground. Now it's dirty. So that's why I love the design. It's so simple with just that slit right there, and it looks beautiful. You have two different ways of putting it on, more of a slim tie look or one that bells out at the top. I love both designs. I think it's really nice. It's super secure. No matter how rough you are, if you're in a rush and you're quickly trying to dry your hands or to dry any dish or knives that you're needing to use at that moment, it's easy to put on, it's easy to take off. You wash it, and you can always be sure that you have a sanitized, beautiful looking hand towel. So I think this is a great thing to have in your kitchen. It's super useful, and that's my point of view.